Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So part two, now it's time to unload this thing and actually put it into place. So if you follow me, we're going to be pulling this off, setting it right here, and then we have to actually rotate the front of it so that we can run it back there. We've got the frame rails back there that we're going to set it on. That way it's not just sitting in the dirt, and we can pre-level those before we get back there. So it makes it a little easier, but still going to be a fun job, so let's get to it. Probably the hardest worker of the group. James, always going to town. And today, we got nephew, Hayden. Say hi.
Hello.
And this ought to be interesting. Come push right here. Here's Brutus. You gotta push. Hey, what's going on? We're coming up. Hey, oh. That's where we're coming. Corner.
Oh yeah, it's a squeeze now.
More like a touch.
Your front.
So we've got the door off because as we get it down there near the settling point, we're actually going to open the wall, and that's where we'll be able to enter from the shop into the shed. So we are running out of daylight, so I did want to get just a couple more shots. You can see we're really thin on both sides, but it does it will fit. And there's the door. We got a whole mess going on here, but we got her down safely. Everybody's good, no damage. We'll get her slid into place. All right, so the boys are back here getting our runners leveled up, getting our foundation blocks set into the ground. That way it'll be fairly sturdy. Well, now you can see we've got it all in place. Got some of the stuff put storage wise on the end here. And we've got the door here. Now we just need to punch the hole in the side of the shop and connect them. You can see the eaves actually lined up pretty well. So we'll be able to seal that up pretty easily. And here we are inside the shop, cutting the hole to make our way out to the shed. Got power running through there, so we have to be very careful of that power line. But that'll make a pretty wide doorway. So there you go, guys. We've got the shed in place. Fit nicely, got a little room on both sides. We are going to attach the shed to the shop, so you can see we've already got the wall kind of tore out. We do have a power line running through there, so we're going to have to run that up and over to connect the sockets back on this side. And I would like to actually run a line out to the shed itself just for some lights, maybe one outlet. If you guys want to see more on that, definitely comment down below, let me know. But as always, guys, I want to thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, give it that thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. And we will see you in the next one.